That's silly.
Well, I once ate a hubcap. Tasty.
Aw, Goofy. What can we feed baby Redbird? Blueberries. Right. We got ears. Say cheers.
Cheers! Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, thanks for helping feed baby Redbird.
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Whoa! Uh-oh. We're headed right towards those 3 bluebirds. To fly over the 3 bluebirds, we need to pull the rope 3 times to put air into the balloon. Pull the rope and count with me. 1, 2, 3. We made it over the 3 bluebirds. Hooray!
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Baby Redbird, we're taking you home.
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Oh, look, he's shaking like a leaf.
Baby Redbird must be getting cold. Maybe we have a mousecatool that can keep baby Redbird warm. Everybody say, "Oh, toodles!
Oh, toodles!
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Oh, toodles!
Oh, toodles!
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
A pogo stick, a blanket, or the mystery mousecatool? What will keep baby Redbird warm? A blanket. Right! We got ears. Say cheers!
Cheers! A blankie for the baby.
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Oh, shucks.
Thanks for helping make